So today I'm gonna show you people how to make money by doing online surveys and sharing your opinions online. I'm gonna show you 4 top websites that you're gonna follow up and start making money instantly with those websites. Okay, so the first survey website that we're gonna look after is Survey Friends. Okay, what Survey Friends do is benefit of joining Survey Friends. The point that you collect can then be used for winning gift and vouchers. Exchange your points for gift vouchers or allocated them to the gift lottery system. Invite friends and earn more points. So what this website is, you just sign up and you gain some points. When you have some points, and then you have to see the products that you use, and the products that you can just be using, and anything that you are buying online. So it's only the websites that they show you in the application here. So you just have to do is like you inviting your friends and gaining more points. Okay, so the second one is here, Univox. Do the survey and reward. Take the time, take survey and share feedback on the product you use. Join now and get $2. So they will give you free $2, and here is you start making your money. And here I said register and receive an instant bonus of 200 points worth $2. And here you do the investigation, and we will email you invitation for survey. Survey will be quick and easy to respond. And reward, win accepting reward for every survey you take. Here you can see they will pay you with PayPal, virtual MasterCard or credit card, Amazon gift card, and Tango card. So this is it. You just come and sign up. When you sign up and you start making your surveys, then you start making also money. Here is the third one that I'm showing you is iPool. iPool also, what they do is like here says get mobile with your opinion. You have to share your opinions in this website, and you gain something. Here iPool is an online and mobile community where your only quick perspective is your gain, and answering questions about the product and service you use and place you visit every day is all you have to do to access our great reward catalog. So this is the only thing that you have to do by just sharing your opinion and the products that you use. Every time you share, you will be compensated. Give us your opinion and earn iPool currency by taking surveys, testing products, and more. You will enjoy cash payout and popular gift cards from your favorite brands. Get reward your way and trade yourself today. So this is it. Here you can see, you can also come here and chat about it, or you can contact them and start making money also in this program. So the last one that I'm gonna show you is like New Vista. New Vista is a panel powered by humans. It says here, complete online survey and get paid for your opinion. New Vista is an online research community for Walnut Unlimited with over 15 years experience. We understand what makes a fantastic online survey panel. Our panelists can testify to that. So here you can see you will just share also your opinion and start making real money. And these people will also pay you by just telling people what you think and what you see, what you have in your mind. So this is it. This is the 4 websites that I have for you people today, and make sure to go on and find out this website just right now. Start making your money. Even though the money that you're gonna earn will not make you rich, it will not buy you a car or a house, but you can also get let's say a sweet or some candy also in your pocket. That's how I can say it, because putting all the money together for 2-3 months, it could be something bigger than you expect. So that's your boy Spada King Spada. Make sure you subscribe, and in the description there will be the links there.